Jason here, and welcome to another Madden 16 video. This is crazy. So I'm playing Draft Champions right now. I got a flashback Michael Vick, and so yeah, look at what he does. So we got an 87 Ted Ginn Jr., but that doesn't matter. He's not open. Michael Vick, amazing spin move right there. He's running out of energy. Another spin move. Just stands there for a couple minutes and finally gets tackled. That is 68 yards. That's why we want flashback Michael Vick. And that is amazing. Let's just take another look at some of those spin moves. Look at then. There's another spin move. Right. Yeah. See ya.